Real haunted house, real horror story. In 1974, the Perron family moved into a secluded farmhouse in Harrisville, Rhode Island, hoping for a fresh start. Almost immediately, strange things began to happen. Doors slammed on their own. Cold drafts swept through locked rooms. The family's 5 daughters claimed to see shadowy figures watching them from corners of the house. The most frightening presence was believed to be the spirit of a woman named Bathsheba Sherman, who once lived on the property in the 1800s. According to local records, Bathsheba was accused of practicing witchcraft and of killing a child under her care, though she was never convicted. The Perrons reported that the spirit especially targeted their mother, Carolyn. She was once lifted off her bed by an unseen force and thrown across the room, leaving bruises. As the activity escalated, beds shaking, clocks stopping, voices whispering, the family sought help from paranormal investigators Ed and Lorraine Warren. During a seance, Carolyn became possessed. Speaking in a distorted voice and recounting details from Bathsheba's life she could not have known. Terrified, the Perrons eventually fled the farmhouse. To this day, the house remains standing, and many believe whatever haunted it never truly left.